Hello everyone, my name is Zion Tucker and today I will be talking about the Woodland Cree, also known as the Sakawiniwak. The Sakawiniwak, also known as the Woodland Cree, are First Nations people indigenous to the boreal forests of North America. They are one of the many indigenous groups in Canada and parts of the United States, and they are part of a larger Cree nation which consists of various Cree subgroups. The name Sakawiniwak, pronounced Sa-ka-wi-ni-wak, translates to people of the Saka, referencing their historical dependence on fishing, hunting, and gathering as fundamental components of their culture. Historically, during the colonization of Canada by the British and the French, the Sakawiniwak were one of the two main subgroups of the Cree people, who were traditionally American subarctic tribes. They inhabited a region with a scarcity of larger animals, primarily relying on hunting hares, rabbits, and occasionally beaver, elk, or bear. However, hunger and survival challenges, especially during the harsh winters, were not uncommon. The society had a clear division of labor between men and women. Men engaged in hunting, defense, and crafting tools, while women managed household chores, collected food and plants, and created essential items like clothing and fishing nets. The Sakawiniwak organized themselves into related family groups and formed larger alliances for warfare against other tribes. They had a deep respect for customs and prohibition. The Sakawiniwak organized themselves into related family groups and formed larger alliances for warfare against other tribes. They had a deep respect for customs and prohibitions related to animals, spirits, and held shamans in high regard, recognizing their significant influence in their culture and spiritual life. Additionally, they had a strong connection to their environment, especially the forests and water where they lived, as reflected in their name. The culture and lifestyle of the Sakawiniwak are a testament to their deep connection with nature and the traditions that have sustained them over generations. Living in harmony with their natural surroundings, the Sakawiniwak's culture is deeply intertwined with the environment. Their nomadic way of life, characterized by seasonal movements, reflects their dependence on land and its resources. They move in sync with the migrations of animals and the availability of essential resources, demonstrating a profound understanding of their ecosystem. Hunting is a central aspect of their lifestyle, and their skills in this domain are highly developed. They excel in hunting caribou, moose, and various types of fish. These activities not only provide a sustenance, but also establish a connection between the Sakawiniwak and the land, reinforcing their cultural identity. In essence, the Sakawiniwak's culture and lifestyle are deeply rooted in their natural environment, with a rich tapestry of traditions, arts, and skills that reflect their profound connection with the land and their commitment to preserving their heritage for future generations. The Sakawiniwak have a strong connection to the northern woodlands of North America. Traditionally, their homeland encompassed vast stretches of what is now Canada and the northern United States. This territory included parts of Manitoba, Saskatchewan, Alberta, and sections of Ontario. Within these regions, the Sakawiniwak led a way of life deeply rooted in their natural surroundings. They relied on the forests, lakes, and rivers for sustenance and engaging in activities such as hunting, fishing, and gathering. Their culture was marked by a profound respect for the land and its resources, and their traditional knowledge was passed down through generations. Today, the Sakawiniwak continue to maintain their cultural heritage, but their living arrangements have evolved. Many Sakawiniwak individuals and families reside on reserves within the provinces mentioned earlier. These reserves are areas of land set aside for for the exclusive use of indigenous communities and are governed by the respective bands or First Nations governments. On these reserves, the Sakawiniwak work to preserve their traditions and languages, striving to pass down their ancestral knowledge to younger generations. The clothing worn by Sakawiniwak people traditionally consists of garments made from materials readily available in their wooded environment. Some common clothing include moccasins, which are traditional shoes made from soft leather and hide and are designed to be comfortable and flexible for walking in the forest. Leggings, usually made from animal hides or cloth. Breechcloth, a simple garment worn by both men and women, typically made from cloth or hide, which covers the front and the back of the lower body. A tunic or shirt, depending on the season and gender, people might wear tunics or shirts made from hide, cloth, or woven materials. Hooded capes, these were often made from animal hides and provided warmth and protection from the elements. Sashes and belts, these were used to cinch the waist and hold garments in place. And decorative beadwork and quillwork. Beadwork and quillwork were used to decorate clothing and accessories, showcasing intricate designs and patterns unique to the Cree culture.